For those of you that doesn't know me, I go by the name of Othi, and I'm from the Congo. And usually I do my poems in English because I believe it's the world's most beautiful language and most romantic too. Where I am from, Congo Kinshasa, to be exactly and precisely, it's one of the world's most richest places ever. Yet its people are suffering and its people are poor. Weird and crazy, right? Some of you may have seen it, some of you may not have seen it. It's everywhere on social media. Of course, I'm talking about a hashtag, Congo is bleeding. Currently, the country is going through a silent holocaust where the Western countries are benefiting from it. It's everything actually. It's culture, its richness. Little kids are literally being born in the war, during the war. It's crazy. The country is crying for help once again. It's not the first time, it's not the second time. I believe we have lost count. Little kids are getting up early in the morning just to go look for content so they can make your iPhone, my iPhone, your laptop, my laptop, your PlayStation 5, and my PlayStation 5. Women are being raped, men are being killed, and families are being separated. So this poem goes out to everyone that is suffering and is seeking for justice. Whether it's in Africa, Congo, Nigeria, South Africa, Namibia, or in America. I'm talking about the Black Lives Matter movement, or in the Middle East. Stay strong. Better days are coming. And of course, to my Congolese people, this goes out to you. My dearest love, Congo Kinshasa. Bazali na gauche, bazali na droite. Balingi na koya, menga naza soda ya Nzambe na kokoya pia. Nzambe asindinga. Pe akotikanga ite. Même quand je marche dans la vallée de l'ombre de la mort, je ne crains rien. Je ne crains aucun mal. Nakobanga eloko te po Nzambe aza na nga. Nakobanga moto moko te, kobanga pe eloko moko te. Kongo na nga nalinga mingi tala oyo bazosala yo. Mokili mobimba bazobénéficie na yo, mais yo ozobénéficie na yo te. Congo, I love you, I mean, I've loved you since I was born. But you are suffering. I don't want to see you suffer anymore. As an artist, it is my duty. It is my duty to spread awareness. As an artist, it is my duty to tell people how you are suffering. I know right now I cannot do much for you, but I can tell the world about you. I can tell people what is going on over there. I don't want to remain silent. Don't ever forget that it was Peter the apostle that had denied Jesus Christ, 3 times in a row. Just like she has denied my love several times. But here I am, still wanting her, still fighting for her, and still trying to love her. Remind me why we must let go of each other. Remind me why I must let go of you. Remind me why we must part ways. I ask myself, why must our destinies why must our destiny change? Why must our destinies fall down? I love you just like God loves us, with a complete love.